In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Notebooklm outside. This is a simple workflow you can use from any computer with a web browser, so you can research, summarize, and create shareable outputs even when you are away from your usual setup. First, open your browser and go to the Notebooklm website. Once the page loads, you will land on your dashboard. This is where your notebooks live, and it is the starting point for everything you create. If you are using a shared or public device, take a moment to make sure you are signed into the correct account before you begin, and remember to sign out when you are done. Next, create a fresh workspace by clicking the plus option that says Create New on the dashboard. This makes a new notebook where you can keep a specific topic, class, project, or reading list organized in one place. Naming it clearly will help you find it quickly later, especially if you plan to work from multiple locations. After that, upload your sources. In the pop-up window, choose the materials you want Notebooklm to use. You can add PDFs, paste YouTube links, or select files from your cloud storage. As you add items, they will appear in the source panel on the left. This panel acts like your reference shelf. A good tip is to only include sources that match your goal, since focused source sets tend to produce clearer answers. Once your sources are loaded, move to the chat panel in the center and type a question. Notebooklm will analyze what you provided and respond with answers that include clickable citations. Those citations are important because they let you jump straight to the exact spot in your sources where the information came from, so you can verify details and stay accurate. When you want to turn your research into something ready to share, use the Studio panel on the right. Select Audio Overview, Slide Deck, or Video Overview to generate instant outputs based on your sources and your conversation. This is useful when you need a quick summary, a presentation draft, or a short explainer. Finally, whenever Notebooklm gives you a response you want to keep, click Save to Note on that answer. This helps you build a clean collection of key insights without having to copy and paste. That covers everything you need to know.